Welcome back to day 19 of our 28-day challenge for shifting states and Tai Chi Flows. In Qigong and in Tai Chi, there are different ways to close. One of them is like you're gathering, making an X like you're embracing yourself. I like to think of this in Qigong like you're making a cocoon. So like one edge of a blanket wrapping around you, the other edge of a blanket wrapping around you. And then we separate the hands, palms to the ground, separate to shoulder width, shoulder level, and we just let the hands go down. And then we return back to legs together by just closing the legs. Another closing is gathering chi, gathering energy. So the gathering is from heaven or the sky or up above. The hands float up like we're gathering from above and pulling it down through us, something precious through us into the ground as a sort of cleansing move, removing anything stagnant with fresh energy. And or gathering chi, sinking to dantian, where we have a gentle focus on the lower dantian. We may even put our hands there to seal in. This is more of a feeling. It's a visualization, a feelization. So inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, breathing in, breathing out, gathering chi, and let's change our intention. First intention, let's relax from head to toe. Where our hands are is where we're going to relax. Front part of the body, back part of the body. Inhale up, exhale down, center of the body. Interior. Breathing in, relaxing the front. Breathing in, breathing out while relaxing the back. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing the interior. Inhale, front. Inhale, exhale, back. Inhale, exhale, the center. Now let's gather chi, fresh energy stored in our bio battery. And let's close. Now let's review this week so far. Shift the weight to your right. Open by stepping out to your left. 50-50. Hands float up, lifting water. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. This is lifting water. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Now, for this last time, we're going to inhale up. The arms are going to stay up. Fingertips to the sky. Sinking the tailbone. Relaxing the shoulders. Tai Chi ready position. Relax. 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 Breathing. Whole body is relaxed. Turn the palms together like we're holding a bowl in front. We're hugging a tree. Relax. Sigh of relief. Relax any tension in the body. And then separate the hands. Open up the chest. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. It's like we're holding a ball in front. Rotate the ball. Left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. Lower the ball. Inhale. And let the ball expand. Exhale. Compress the ball. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Rotate the ball. Compress. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand. Exhale, contract. Compress. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, expand, circle to the other side. Exhale, compress. Inhale, expand, circle to the other side. Exhale, compress. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Carry the ball up to chest level. Fingertips to the sky. Relax. Float the hands down. Then the palms to the sky. Gathering. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Shifting weight. Closing the door. Thank you for joining me.